So it's definitely a year ago from basically today. It was October 6th when I was actually diagnosed with breast cancer. Sadly, I was diagnosed, I had two masses. One was Herceptin negative and one was Herceptin positive. If I just had the negative one, then I wouldn't have had to have chemotherapy, but sadly, one was positive, HER2 positive. So I had to have chemotherapy. I can't remember how many weeks, maybe 13 weeks of chemotherapy, 12 weeks, actually, 12 weeks. I was still in just stage 1, but because of that HER2 positive, obviously doctors needed to intervene and be a little bit more thorough with the approach of everything that I had to go through. So I had to go through chemotherapy, and then after that, radiation for 13 treatments of radiation, I believe. So I think that was for 3 weeks. I can't, the dates might be a little off at this point, but it's been a long road and I'm still going through treatment. I am still getting, every 3 weeks I have treatment for Herceptin. So that is the immunotherapy treatment that will last until about December. So, I mean, I heard about the NeoGenesis program from somebody that I know and definitely spoke in high regard to the program, and obviously referred me over to Holly, where it all started. I felt never alone, I guess, in the journey with radiation. Because I always knew I had a team. I had a team that could answer my questions. I had a team that cared. Like literally everyone genuinely cared. That's how I felt through the whole process. We had our check-ins. I always felt that they were helpful. I mean, definitely it was more scheduling appointments, but it was definitely something that I thought was beneficial. It was amazing, to be honest with you, because when in life is anything free? So that's really what caught me too. Like, what do you mean I don't have to pay for anything? And I think it was kind of a little bit of a laugh for everybody when I was like, wait, I can ask for more? You mean I don't have to like use it just in moderation? So I just think it was a beautiful program, or is a beautiful program, and I was just happy to be a part of it. So I was using 4 products. I mean, I think it was like the mist, moisturizing mist. So I would use that, and I would use an actual, more of like a cream in the recovery. And then I was also using essential oils. So essential oils was different. That was through Looking and Feeling Fab. But those 4 products have really helped me. And a recovery was definitely a great recovery option. NeoGenesis made everything better. So I would recommend it to anyone, even if you have really sensitive skin. I think it's completely helpful in every regard.